Good day guys, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn off the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my videos anytime I drop them. In today's videos, I'll be quickly teaching you how to create an animated video of yourself, animated image of yourself. So this training is 3-in-1 training. So just follow me as I create it. Don't miss any step. And in this video, we'll be making use of two AI websites. So the first website we'll be doing is styler.ai. In one of my videos, I'll show you guys on how to create AI images. You understand? So now on stylers.com, it's very simple. Just let me log out. As you can see, this is styler.com. Styler.ai, excuse me. So if you are not having an account, just create an account, sign up. You've seen the sign up button. But for me, I have an account there. Let me just click on login. You understand? So let me click on login. I want to log in with my email. So I'll just log in with my email. It's very easy to create. Just create styler.ai. Then you click on sign up. So I haven't done that. You get your login details, and once you log in, you'll be able to create the image I'm about to show you. So just follow me. Mind you, we need network, a strong network. You can see this network is crumbling. So now just select the account I wanted to use. So now I've already logged in. Now what's next is just click on new project. I'm going to click on new project. As you can see, if you want to create a project, we can describe the kind of image you want. You can type it, you can import it, which is what I'll be doing. Then image to text, if you want to convert image to text, you can do that. So mine now is I want to import image. So I'll just go to my download, and I'll select the image I want to use and open. So it's uploading already. As you can see, this is the image. The beauty part of this thing is you can remove the background. Let me remove the background, and you can even upload the background. You can upload the background if you want to upload background. You understand? So now let me remove the background. Is removing. So now, for instance, this image will represent me now. This is me now, and I want to change my image to animated version. So now this is me. Now I can crop it. You understand? I can crop it. I can do whatever I want to do with it. So now let's change the image of me to animated one, to cartoon version. So now we are going to click on image to text. You understand? Image to image or whatever. And you see, from the first one we did, we import the image. Then text to image. This one stands for if you want to use a text to describe someone, and the text will create an image for you. But we are not going there. We are going to image already. So now this is the image. We have it already, and I want to change it. You look for 3D animated version here. So this is what I want. Once I click on it, you can now write out the prompt. Okay, standing guy, black with hoodies. But if you don't have time for that, there's something we call auto prompt here. So we'll click on auto prompt. This is the auto prompt. So it's going to highlight whatever it is on the image and give him the prompt. You understand? Can you see it? Can you see that? See, a young man wearing a hoodie and sweatpants is standing against a dark background, looking at the camera. He appears to be dressed in casual clothing and not smiling. Can you see? Sadly. So now we can match it. Then you increase the intensity to match our. So now let's stylize it. So it's going to bring out the image, cartoon version of it. We have 3 results already. It's going to show. Can you see that? Sterilizing it. So let's wait for the results. We're going to wait for the result. We have 52, 66. So the result is almost out. So we have 82. So now, as you can see, we have the animated version of it. Can you see it? Can you see that? Can you see that? So now, come to think of it, you select anyone that suits you. Can you see it? So let's say I want to go for this. I can choose this. I can choose this one. Look more realistic. I can choose it and place on Canva. Can you see that? Can you see? This is it. So that is how to create animated versions of yourself. You understand? 3D animated version of yourself. And once you are done, click on it. You export it. We export it. So JPEG, and I'm going to export it. So can you see it? Export it. So we'll finish the first part, which means we have finished how to create our 3D image. You understand? So can you see it? That's finished downloading. So the next thing we are going to do is how to make this image talk. Animated version, video version. And like one of my videos, I show you how to create an animated video. This video now, we are going to be making use of studio di.d.id. So I'll be linking the address in the comment section so that you follow it. Now, how do we do it? It's very simple. Click on create. If you are not having an account, just sign up. It's very easy and free. Click on create video. We have different character there. Wow, I'm not making use of this character. I want to add my own character, which is the one I just downloaded now. You see that I'm making use of this, and it's going to upload. It's uploading. So with that, can you see that? We can now put in our text here. Okay, we can generate our text, write whatever we want to, you understand? We want it to speak. Let me go to ChatGPT. Okay, YouTube channel, welcome video, welcome text, video in one sentence. Right. So it depends on whatever you want to do. I'm just making use of that as an example. So now he's going to write it out for me. You see it? So I'm going to copy it now and go back to my listing. I'm going to paste it here. So now let's listen to the voice. Now there are some things, we have, this is the language you want. Then the person that's going to preview it, we have different, but some are pro. Go for the one that are free. You understand? So go for the free ones. So for me now, I'm going for the free one. If you go with pro, you won't see this generate video at the top. This thing will not show. Can you see that? It won't show. But I should go for the free version. Let me go for the free version. Let me go for Eric and play it.
Welcome to our channel, where we dive into tech videos.
You understand? Can you see that? So now I can easily generate my video now. I can generate my video. So it's telling me that I'm using 5 seconds, blah blah blah. I have 20 credit left because I'm new. It will give me 20 credit free. So I'll create it. Once the creation is done, you cannot download it. So that is how to make animation of yourself. You create animation video of yourself. You can use any type of images here to be realistic. You can use celebrity to sell your market, to do whatever you want to do. So this is it. Let's play it.
Welcome to our channel, where we dive into tech videos.
Can you see this? And I can now download it. You might want to ask me reason for the D and D at the back. Is because we are using what was it called? a free version. And for those that doesn't know how to remove video background, I drop a video link. I'll drop a video link as well to watch how to remove video background. I have that on my channel. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Let's preview what we have just. So if you want to create,
Welcome to our channel, where we dive into tech videos.
so if you want to create as many as you want, that's it. Thank you. See you in my next video.